see how the museum is. And that is a question that I've been asking myself for a very long time. I still don't have the answers, but I believe there's something powerful in knowing the history, not even history, but there's something powerful in knowing some of the things that they are in this world, some illusional things, things that were captured in pictures, things that were captured in videos, things that were captured in real life, in the sense of they are caught or they are dug from the ground. They excavated, if that is the correct word to use. And one of the things I've also learned about these lovely museums is the fact that they have plenty of information. And by plenty of information, what do I mean? Guys, so we have entered a really nice place. There are a lot of glasses and everything. I think you know the snake park. Na sina ticket. So guys, there's so plenty of information that people really don't know that are around, that is around you. Because I'm 100% sure many of you have heard of the museum, mnaisikianga to many past, but you have never really visited. And I am also a victim of it. But one thing I know is I need to change to be not a better person, but to be an explorer. That's why I also managed to call myself Ken Voyager Vlogs, which means I need to explore. And this is how it looks. So many glasses over there. So I think this is one park, one very beautiful park that is maintained or built with glasses. I don't know if you can be able to see it, guys. The funny thing, my vlogs really go so fast. You know, I'm just seeing how many minutes I've used. So many types of trees. Tephrosia vogeli. Is the pronounce poor. But in Giriama, we call it capodzo. In English, it's called fish poison. In Luya, it's called sambambe. Sabambe. Indigo, jibaranzi. Jibaranzi. In Luo, subrech. Beautiful things you need to learn, guys. Some really nice things and powerful. But then, you know, a long time ago, people used to heal themselves with the plants. And I'm a very big fan of nature. Sijui mbona, I just inanukia vizuri. Nice. Hii ni gani? Candle bush plant. Muinu. In Kikuyu call it muinu. Masai osenot. It really smells really nice. Yeah, it smells like food. Nice. Hi, Mambo. We also have a bicycle made from plastics. And this is just kind of like an art room. Really nice, beautiful. Our living, traditional, our plants and our health. Trust of ingenious culture and health. Beautiful. Oh my. So let's continue exploring. So guys, I've seen my video really goes so fast, man. Video, I just love to record. I don't know, I just feel so good when I vlog, what to say. And that is something that I just love, man. I love talking to myself, also talking to strangers. This is a really nice park where you can take some really nice pictures and videos. Na nasikia kama kuna waterfall. Is that a waterfall kweli? Nasikia a sound of a waterfall. I'm not sure if it is the waterfall. I'm not 100% sure. And this is what I love, nature. One beautiful thing about nature is the connection that you get while spending some really nice time around nature. Sasa ni mko poa? Mmebambika na the museum? Ni nini nzuri by the way imekubamba sana? Kila kitu. I'm doing a YouTube video, I hope you don't mind.
It's okay.
Nice. Huko ni fall iko ama ni nini? Ni river? Acha tuende tuone. So guys, this is a river. You know, when I was in there's a time I went to Nyahururu. Is it Nyahururu or Nyanyuki? Thompson, where Thompson Falls inakuanga. And the sound was magical. Your fall, it is very, the fall is, unajua pia fall, it is measured, how deep the fall is. Kuna njia gani? Tuende hivi. It is measured how deep it falls. So kuna 1,800, kuna 2,000 falls. Oh, nice. That is the river. Hey, tuende chini. Guys, we need to go down. We need to go down. I don't know where we can cross, but I think we can use this. Hey, but the shoes that I came with, oh my. Oh, but it's gonna grip. Oh, wow. Sijui kama hii ni Nairobi River. Guys, hebu mniambie. Which, hey, it is very dirty. Hey. Guys, ngoja kwanza ni I tried to, oh my goodness. Wow, and there kuna my birds there. Hey, it is very, very dirty. Also kuna webs. It is also smelling so bad. There's some clothes over there. So guys, this is the farthest I can go. And yeah, I guess this is the end of the museum. Kitu ni chafu sana. Inanuka. Hey, it is smelling so bad, guys. This is Nairobi River, if I'm not wrong. Guys, and you can see over there, there's a fall. There's like a small fall. It's very far. But it is very dirty. I think hapa ndio wastage yote inakujanga, this river. All the wastage. Yeah, the water, the poo, and everything. But the president said he will really clean Nairobi River. That is one manifesto he said. And we will see by 2027. Because we are the voters, we will decide whether he will stay or go back to Sugoi. So guys, let me continue exploring. And I've seen so many couples, by the way. But it is also good to kind of bond. Oh. It is also good to kind of bond together. Mkopa? Oh my. Ni kama nimekuja hiking. Hey. I think ni kama nimekuja hiking. I'm very tired. The exercise zenye nafanya si mchezo. Sijui uko ni wapi, but let's go. There's a ranger. Nimeona. Are they called rangers or what? Hey, couples. Hey, guys. Unajua nacheka kwa nini?
Unajua nacheka kwa nini?
Hii ni maajabu.
Hii ni maajabu.
Oh my goodness. Unajua these are some things, sir. Some really nice dates that you can, cheap nice dates that you can explore with the love of your life. Beautiful. I just love to connect with nature. I feel so good being around nature. So good. So good. And when I see something like this, I just love to touch. I don't know why, but it has been here for the longest time that you can imagine. And it is a piece that has some information, but you can interpret it very differently. For me, I can see a comb over there, a child, also a child the other side. It is really nice, guys. At some point, oh, nice. Look at that piece. See, it's a stone. This is an head of a woman and a man, I guess, and another woman. Beautiful. The sky is about to. Oh, bona. So, guys, this is one of the places you must come or you must visit. It has really beautiful, beautiful pieces. Beauty. If you love art, by the way, if you love art, you will really enjoy. I guess this is the snake park, but sasa tukulipia snake park. Oh man. But it's all good. It's all good, guys. Stay with me. Subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Comment the comment down below and tell me what you feel about the video. Tell me what you feel about the video. No, it is time to go home. Na mimi bado niko huku. The gate is closed. Na siwezi ingia. Oh my goodness. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking the Nile tulip. I'm just walking. I hope I don't find any harmful animal inside here. Yeah, beautiful. This is a garden. Now some really nice piece. Wow, beautiful. Hey, it is really nice. Guys, I don't know if the camera is showing justice because pollinators. Hii board tumeiona somewhere. Repeat, I guess. Peaceful path, njia amani. So guys, let us continue walking. You know, I just love walking. Random walking. Seeing things. Seeing plants. It's also a therapy. Guys, nimesema this thing. I think nimerepeat when I was in Rosaline, not Rose. Yeah, when I was in Rosaline, it's a place called, if I can remember, it's called Contemporary Art Gallery in Rosaline, where they also have similar things, but it is quite small. It is not that big. So it reminds me of that place. It is very beautiful, guys. Beans. Hey, inaenda wapi? They're just going down. Hey, ama naingia forest na sijui. Can be entering the forest, bwana, na sijui bwana. Can be entering the forest na sijui. Jui nje inaenda wapi? You know, the funny thing, I've become so weird. Guys, I've become so weird that nowadays before I try to do something, I ask myself, not asking myself, but acha niseme kujichocha, I guess. Najiambia, what is the worst that can happen? What is the worst that can happen? And that mentality, it may be rude to some people, but you know what? Wow. Can care. Plants display supported by NRF. What is there? You can see people walking over there. I think this is a place too poor, but it's a really nice place. You see how beautiful this place is. I think we need to walk. We need to walk and continue exploring the museum. Yes, I've never been to this museum. It is my first time. I think it's also, I think it's a park. Tunafika place ya park. Hey, iko nice places, guys. But you should never come alone. Just find some friends and come and chill and relax. Have some snacks. do your TikTok, and have fun, manze. Some really nice park, chilling with girls. Chilling with your girls and chilling with your boys crew. You can see some really nice people over there. Park imefungwa. At this entrance hii. Healing through nature. Wow. Oh my goodness. Guys, you won't believe this about over there. Healing through nature, cancer palliative garden. Welcome to the cancer palliative care plant display garden. Guys, that is outside the museum. Guys, there's something and I need now to tell you. People with cancer, they come to such places. I've told you before, there are some things that are never explained in this world. One of the beautiful things people really don't know that heals is something that we call nature. You may ask yourself, what is nature? Go and Google. Just kidding. I'm explaining, relax. This is called nature. The beautiful serenity that you can see. Beautiful colors. How the leaves shake, how the leaves flow. It is so beautiful. This is nature at its best. The sounds that the river makes, the sounds that the tree makes is one of the most healing thing you as a normal human being or as a cancer patient can try. I'm not sure ni nini iko huko, but I'm always curious to see things. The video is getting longer and longer and longer, and I'm getting curious and curious and curious. Oh my God. This is raw and uncut. By the I this is one thing that I really love to do. Not to do. I just really love to spend time. Beautiful time with not with myself but with strangers. Boss, vipi? Uko poa? Nafanya YouTube ayopo uweze mind. Uko aje lakini? Ehe. Ndio kutulia. Hii inaitwa hii ni park ama ni nini? Hii ndio inaitwa Michuki Park. Michuki Park. Entrance yake ni bado museum mama ni hiyo tu hapo. But hii ni free. Hii ni free sasa. Nice. Na ile inakonga ni nini huko ile side? Ile side bado ni forest. Forest tu hivyo tu. Za kutulia hivi. Nice. Nilikuwa nafanya tu video ka vlogging hivi, nilikuwa kwa museum. Sasa nikaamua acha ni explore kidogo huku. Nasikianga nimeona hapo mtu ameandika cancer sijui nini. Kwani how is it related to cancer? Okay. Hapo hivi. Hii ni medicinal plants. Plant garden. Dawa zote. So like wase maybe patient wako na cancer wanakamingi kupiga survey hivi kutulia. Wanaziangalia wanaona ni gani. Ni kama inawa heal kinda. Nice. Ni vizuri maana unafanya kazi poa, sijui tukupromote. Niko na kachoni lakini sasa hii weather man. Weather ni kali. Ni nini tunaweza kula hapo? Hapa samosa iko. Leta ice cream bwana hadi. Hiyo sasa. At least nikuwe generous kidogo. Ndio. Hizo ma flavors zote ka mix. Piga ka mix, hiyo chwani yote ni yako. Sikuiti change. Please nikusupport, najua siku nyingine pia mtu atanisupport. Ndio hiyo. That nafanya. Kazi poa. Hii umefanya for how long? Hii nimeanzia
2020 hapo hivyo after corona.
Na before that ulikuwa unafanya nini?
Before that? Nilikuwa nimechorwa na muhindi. Kampuni ya kioo hivi.
Kampuni ya kioo.
Sasa nikakuja nikaona hii kioo. Kuna venye nilipi poa. Kuna wa kids, kuna wife, sasa.
Kuna kidwa ngapi?
Wawili.
Dem boy ama madem?
Dem boy, wote wako chuo.
High school ama? Bado wako primary.
Bado CBC hiyo sasa.
Ai, kazi safi manzi. Kama msee anaweza kusupport peana namba na itaenda YouTube. Msee maybe anaweza kuattach na story yako.
Okay, yangu inakuanga 0718 509 368.
Rudia mwisho.
0718 509 368.
Asante. Taleta jina gani?
Alexander Mutie.
Mutie. Wewe Mkamba? Sawa. Poa. So guys, at least nikule ice cream, Azingine kujinyima si vizuri. I need at least once to support people. And this is one thing by the I love. I've told you guys, couples are the best things. If you have your couples, come here, take a really nice pictures and spend some really nice time. Habari zenu, mko poa? Nafanya YouTube, I hope you don't mind. That is the same river that I showed you guys. Ni kama tunamalizia video tukiwa kwa this garden. Na nimesikia kelele. Guys, let me enjoy ice cream kidogo. Let me enjoy my ice cream. Nikwambie mambo 1, 2, 3, So, I know this video is long. You just bear with me. I love recording. This is one of the most beautiful things that really keeps me up and running and spending some really watu wamekuja na family member, you talk, you explore. Oh my goodness, nimetembea for sijui dakika ngapi. You know, hard work pays, man. That is one thing I know. And as I make this video, the main aim of me coming to YouTube, man, I also want to be monetized. Now to do monetization, let me explain. I am what? Whether we don't eat ice cream, what we do? Do we eat ice cream? Or we lick ice cream? Kizungu yawa. So, hard work pays. I need by the end of the year, if all goes well, I will be monetized. That is the aim, the goal. That's one of the goals of the year. Itu ni tamu. So, there's also a show that I also do on YouTube. That is called Asshole and Basshole Show. Whereby ni ice kweli kweli. I interview business owners, entrepreneurs, to know more about the business, and most importantly, to know the storyline behind the business. And by this, I mean, We see business everywhere. Hotels, restaurants, gifts, any kind of business that you can imagine. We also see business owners. We may know them, we may not know them. But what we really don't know is their storyline. So, guys, do you eat? Mnakulanga hizi vitu? Oh man, I don't eat. So, acha nijitoe. Nisikae mtoto mchafu. So guys, that is one thing I discovered, that we really don't know the story. And I decided, why not? Let me approach them, ask them if I can feature them in my show, which is called Hustle and Bustle Show on YouTube. Beautiful scenes. Some say yes, some say no, but a sweet no. And by this I mean they say, no, I'm not open to share my story because I'm afraid, or because of certain beliefs, or people. Some are very secretive. They just want a secret life, on which I respect, and I'm okay with that. But I've done so far, I think, 9 episodes on the show, and I've really learned a lot in terms of growth. And by that, I've also come up with another idea of doing reels, small reels around Kenya. Acha niseme tu around Kenya, not Nairobi, because yeah, I can do it anywhere. Just to ask people, what's your hustle? And ask them a very relevant, a very random question according to their field of profession or work. The main aim of the show, Hustle and Bustle Show, is just to inspire people. Some of us may not have seen our parents into business, may have not seen our family members maybe into business, but we really want to be business owners. We want to be entrepreneurs. We want to be established businessmen. And what can I really do? I decided to do the show to help myself and also to help people like you who are watching this video. I know it's a long video, and by now, if you're still watching, kudos, because you're one among the few witnesses that will be seeing my growth. And wow, there's nothing so beautiful like growing. That is one of the most beautiful things. Growth in the sense of mind-wise, physical-wise, and many others. So guys, I think I've been told I'm in Michuki. Is it Michuki? Michuki Park. People really come here and spend some really nice time. I can see some people over there. Na vile nakwanga mchokozi. No, mimi nakwanga mchokozi. Sinanga a lot of a lot of nini. Hey, there are so many. Wacha ni watch. I think they're church members or something. It's not good sometimes to interrupt people hivyo. So guys, let us go home. Sijui kama ni exit na the other entrance, or just I think we can go back to where we were because it is already time. We can go back where we were and see if we can capture anything else. Si niwapige pamoja? Umempiga sana. Utaki picha pamoja? Najua mnataka. Niwapige? Eh? Eh? Selfie. Amtaki niwapige? Memories, by the share memories. It's good. Ako shy. Asa kuna siku poa. Whether you look cute together. Namwambia asikuache please. For the boy child. Yeah. I just love chokozing people. Unajua mimi ni mchokozi. I'm very stubborn, man. Napenda tu kuchokoza wasi. This is one thing about me, on which it is not a bad thing, man. Mko poa? Happy New Year. So guys, let me go back to where I was so that I can see, come and explore more. But I've already explored so many areas. People are doing TikToks and nini. And bado uko hapa? Wacha turudi sasa tuende mtaani. Haya poa. Haya. Guys, I really love to share stories with people, man. He's a very hardworking person. And probably is the only person in the park who sell the ice creams. I'm trying to walk very fast, kidogo. Who sell the ice creams, eh? And in life, sometimes life can be so tough. Really tough. For example, yeah, Kennedy Guto, is under the care of my parents at the moment. And I may not like it. The money may not be enough to do things, nahema juu, napanda mlima. To do things like traveling, to pay for the museum, on which I don't blame them. They are my parents, and they will be forever be my parents. Wow. So really nice places. I think ni nyumba ya wasi. There's a place watu wanacheza volleyball over there. Wow. I'm trying to walk fast. Don't niseweke sana. So I thank them so for the far they have really, for the effort they have really showed to me. They have really invested their time and money to take me to school, and I'm also, but I'm still in school. I'm still a comrade, and they are sacrificing a lot. My dad and mom, if you're watching this, you're one of the people who I really look up to and really admire, and hope one day I will really put a smile on you guys. Najua nimeweka smiles mingi, but I can't get tired of putting smiles on your faces. I can't get tired. And may God in heaven make it possible, because I'm a very hardworking boy. And may all my manifestation this year and all that I I've ever manifested. May it come to pass as early as possible. And I also thank the people who have been supporting me. I can call them really nice people. Wacha tu niseme to people who have been supporting me. They have really done a lot. And I don't take them for granted. I also acknowledge your presence in my life. And also the little that you are doing. You know, so sometimes humans, we are just humans. You know, humans are humans. We tend to see the bad side. So guys, that is the museum. Nataka tutoke, sijui kama there's another exit, I guess. I want to thank you all for the little support you have shown me, or you have shown my parents in one way or another. Exit extra museum parking behind the fisheries. I had to go parking. And I also would like one day to also drive and just have fun, man, with the car. Sahii singekuwa nasumbuka, ningekuwa like dun, 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 dun. I go to my car and enter. Go to my car and enter. And go home. Home sweet home. There's also a library. Sijui ni library gani hii. I've never heard of this library. Oh, National Museum Library. Yeah. GSK, it's something new. Never heard of that museum. So, wadau, I think I've really explored a lot. So many beautiful places. GTC, watu wa town, kama unaenda tao. This is the other entrance. There's also this road over here where I came through. Now the shortcuts yenye the person alikuwa ananiambia ni that way, I guess. The watchman was not wrong. Ningekam hivi ningepitia hivi, na pia I also made another route nikaingia na the other entrance of the museum. That is Chiromo. That is Thika Highway, Thika Super Highway. And let me go home. Thank you so much for the people who have been watching. This has been your boy. Let me end the video there. Let me end the video. I've been there. I've been exploring so much of the museum. And I've really learned a lot on the museum. One thing, I need to come back again, restructure myself, and also explore Snake Park. Just the explore Snake Park, which is a to-do list in this year. So guys, this is your boy in the streets of Nairobi. I hope madam enjoy the video. You know, sometimes I sacrifice a lot of my time. There's so many noise in the highway. I sacrifice time, effort, so that I can make you guys happy. Oh, so that I can make you guys so happy. Yeah? And I believe you're happy every time you see a vlog in the museum. We explored everything. National Museum of Kenya. That was among my best moments in the museum. And I hope by the next time I will go to Snake Park. It has been a very lovely place to visit. I was supposed to go to the Museum of Illusion. This is not museum, but yeah, I think Museum of Illusion. And because of one or two reasons, I didn't really manage to enter because of the entrance. But I promise you, by the end, not by the end, very soon, I'll be able to showcase the museum. Can I call it Illusional? Museum of Illusion. whereby we will see a lot that is not seen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me go home. The sky inaanza kuwa a little bit rough. Let me go home, restructure, and also plan for beautiful moments. This year, may this year be my best year ever. And also may this year be your best year ever, because it's the person you're watching here. Please subscribe, like, comment. I cannot get enough of talking. I love talking so much. Please like, share, comment, and tell me which parts you loved about the video. Thank you so much for watching. It has been your boy Ken, Voyager Vlogs. To more amazing vlogs of 2025. Bye bye.